Are you familiar with the Prompt Pay Act? If not, what you don't know can hurt you. For those not familiar, it's the law, and it's long overdue. This legislation helps medical professionals recover past due payments, plus penalties and interest from insurance companies. Yes, you heard correctly. The Prompt Pay Act makes it possible to recover past due payments, along with penalties and interest from insurance companies. The following video is proprietary to the key above and provides an overview of the Prompt Pay Act and how medical professionals can benefit from the law. This video may not be used, copied, or distributed without proper authorization from the key above. Found money for medical professionals and hospitals. Are you aware of the Prompt Pay Act? Do you know that each state has their version of this law? Are you aware of the penalties and interest accessed by the Prompt Pay Act? Is your practice or hospital a victim of slow, partial, and no payment of claims? Do you know the dollar amount of legitimate claims, penalties, and interest outstanding? Do you know how to collect the amounts owed under the law? Medical professionals and hospitals are owed hundreds of thousands of dollars by insurance companies, and we can assist in the collection of outstanding claims in each of the 50 states. This can be huge. That's right, huge. For years, insurance companies have been slow to remit or denied payment of valid and properly filed claims, and the amounts can be staggering. Many providers are not aware of the law or the penalties and interest due as a result of the Prompt Pay Act. The laws vary by state and range from simply interest on past due accounts in some states to extremely punitive in other states, including very aggressive penalties and interest that can double the amount due. Is this information readily available? No. As you can imagine, the insurance companies aren't publicizing these laws. However, we have information and proprietary analytics concerning each state's Prompt Pay Act. We will, at no charge, run a report detailing the amounts due according to the law. The legislation sets guidelines for insurers concerning the payment of properly filed claims. If an insurer fails to pay a claim as required, penalties and interest may be added to the amount of the unpaid claims. We will assist in the recovery of the claims, penalties, and interest due from the various insurance companies, and we're compensated only when claims are paid. That's right, we require zilch upfront fees for our service. When you compare our fees and results to those of a law firm, your decision will be easy. Claims, penalties, interest, and collections pertaining to the Prompt Pay Act in your state is our specialty and our only business. We have a network in each state dedicated to claims and collections per the law. Medical professionals typically don't have the time, staff, or expertise necessary to research the amounts owed in accordance with the legislation. And since the amounts can be sizable, it's in the medical provider's best interest to understand the law and penalties and to start the recovery proceedings as soon as possible. It's imperative to be proactive when dealing with insurers and non-payment for services rendered. We look forward to working with you.